There's nothing like living in downtown Huntington Beach, and the Shore House is the place to be.
Lost my head by holding on to you. Along my way, got stuck in solitude.
This kitchen is beautifully designed, with premium Behr to Sony appliances, quartz countertops, and a layout that feels clean, modern, and perfect for everyday living or entertaining.
Holding pieces that we can reuse.
The indoor-outdoor flow here is one of my favorite features. And this is the highlight, the fourth level rooftop terrace. Multiple barbecues, fire pits, lounge spaces, and incredible open air views. It's the perfect spot to unwind or entertain. If you want turnkey luxury living in the heart of it all, Shore House is the one.
Losing my temper.